So hello guys, welcome to another big and massive video of me repairing an iPhone XR screen. I'm doing a screen replacement for iPhone XR. So guys, our last video, which is our 7th or 8th video being posted on this channel, we got about 300 views and about 4 likes. I'm trying to, like, guys, I'm begging you, bro, take me to. So guys, let's try to hit at least 2,000 likes on this video. At least 2,000 likes, please, bro. Please, you guys, I know you guys can do this for me. Just hit the like button, watch the video to the end. I'm currently at 13 subscribers. If you guys can really take me to 100 subscribers, I'll really be happy. Thank you so much for supporting me. Like, I'm really grateful, bro. And if you have watched it to this moment, please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video. Put your thoughts in the or your comments on the comment section. Bye.